Hello, good day. My name is Daniel Felipe Castellanos Niño. I live in Chia, Cundinamarca. I am 22 years old. Um, well, well start. Uh, the last vacation, I went to Nocaima, Cundinamarca with my girlfriend. Um, it was to a ride that we did on a motorcycle because it's my passion and like it a lot. Um, when we got there, we realized that they were at fairs and parties in Nocaima, Cundinamarca. The climate is hot but very twisted. It's a very smart and cozy city. Mm, one recommendation: cold, wind and wind. You go to this place. You should wear comfortable clothes and warm hair mm, to travel the town and me will you diversity cities. Mm, People traveling to Nocaima, Cundinamarca should have a travel plan that includes meals, so has not to worry about speeding more. In addition to booking a hotel near the town to be able to go through and get to rest with problems. It's it's important not forget to wear comfortable clothes to feel relaxed when attending some extreme place. Also, for more than our the rules of different establishments must be respect and you must avoid well late for solitary place as the maybe people who take advantage of the visit to make a bad right happen. This is a short summary about Nocaima, Cundinamarca. Thank you. Finally, I want to show you my work in PictoChart, in which we say image about the hotel where we were and diversity of animals and plants and great games to have fun. It's a fires and parties in Nocaima, Cundinamarca. It's a very cute and cool place.